Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I'm going to show you all my rave pants. Most of these are vintage, but I do have a few new pairs of UFOs. I believe I already shared those on this channel before, but we're going to start with my oldest pair. This rainbow pair right here. This, well, these are called bedsheet pants. So you would make a pair of fat pants out of sheets, or you could buy fabric. So I actually bought fabric for both of these. These are Blue's Clues. So the rainbow was the second pair I ever made. My first pair was rainbow, but I ripped them, so I had to make a new pair. And then I made these Blue's Clues. And this pair over here, Cheeks made me. Care Bear pockets. Okay, I'm going to show you guys my Mac Gear or Mac Girl pants. And I have two pairs of the camos because my husband has a pair and I have a pair. Okay guys, this is all my UFOs, the classic rave pants. And these N2 are my husband's. Those are like his oldest pair of pants. We share rave clothes, so. And the red pair is my oldest pair. These would have to be my favorite out of the collection. The most comfortable for sure. And here are all my gas pants. These really are just like UFOs, but they run a little smaller and they have different detail. But they're very similar, and I'm pretty sure they don't make these anymore. They do still sell UFOs, so you can purchase those. And this video is not sponsored. Okay, and the last pair that I have, my mannequin's wearing these Gat jeans. But I just wanted to share my collection. I plan on putting some old school rave looks together for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tour, and I'll see you next time.